Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio. First, download OBS Studio from the official website and install it on your computer. Now launch the applications once the installation is complete. When you first open OBS, you'll be prompted to set up your scene and sources. You can choose to start with a default scene or create your own. Next, go to settings and configure your streaming and recording settings. Choose your encoder, e.g. X264 for streaming, bitrate, and other setting based on your internet speeds and performance. Then set your sample rate and channels and select your microphone and desktop audio devices. After that, set your base, canvas resolution, output scale, resolution, and FPS values. Following that, add sources to your scene by clicking the plus button under the sources box. You can add sources like your webcam, screen capture, or media files. Once you've added sources, adjust their properties and position them as needed. Finally, use the preview button to test your setup and ensure everything is working correctly. When you're ready, click the Start Streaming button to go live on your chosen platform. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.